If you are a student who struggles with essays, reports, and research writing, you have probably thought about using tools to help you writing better and faster. One of the newer tools made just for students is StudyAgent AI, an academic writing assistant that combines AI tools in one place so you don't need many separate apps. But the real question is it worth using? In this video, I will review StudyAgent in a simple way so beginners and students can understand what it does, how it works, and whether it is worth trying. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for business and students and share the honest reviews so you can choose the right tools without confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check the special offers or plans for StudyAgent. By using those links, any discount or bonuses they will be applied automatically. So, what exactly is StudyAgent? StudyAgent is an online AI-powered academic writing assistant built specifically for students, researchers, and academics. It combines a range of tools you normally need multiple apps for, like essay writing, paraphrasing, plagiarism checking, and originality detection, all in one workspace designed for study tasks. It aims to help you go from idea to finished drafts without jumping between many tabs or tools. When you first register, StudyAgent gives you a freemium plan that lets you use core tool with daily credit limit. You get almost 500 credit every day, and this credit let you write the essays, check for the plagiarism, paraphrase text, create the summaries, and more. If you found the platform useful and want more access, there is a premium plan that removes the credit limits and gives you faster AI generation and priority support. One of the big advantages of StudyAgent is that it tries to solve the whole writing problem in one place. You don't just write the text with AI, you also get the tool to check the originality, the AI detector, paraphrasing tool to rewrite the sentences, and outlining the tool to organize your thoughts. StudyAgent's AI writing assistant is designed with the academic tone and academic structure in mind. So it produces the content that fits school or college assignments. The interface is also student friendly. You can keep your assignment, instructions, outline, and writing all in one screen so you don't lose your focus. Instead of side by side tabs, StudyAgent helps you to stay in the place and build your essay step by step, which many students find easier than switching between separate tools. Another feature worth mentioning is the AI humanizer, which makes the AI generated text and makes it sound more natural. This can be especially helpful when the initial AI output feels too stiff or mechanical. But like any tool, StudyAgent also has some limitation. Some users on community forums report that certain tools, such as the paraphrasing or feature buttons, they may not always work perfectly or may be confusing, especially for the first time. A few people even mention occasional errors or issues navigating the specific feature. This kind of user report should remind us that the platform is still evolving and may not be perfect for everyone yet. The daily credit limit on the free plan means you have to manage how you use the tool, especially if you have the long assignment. While premium plan offered the unlimited access, some students have mentioned occasional confusion about credit uses even after upgrading. So it's good to check how your plan works before relying on it during an urgent deadline. When we look at student feedback, overall, many learners say StudyAgent has helped them organize thoughts, generate cleaner text, or save time during the late night writing sessions. Users appreciate having multiple tools in one place and find the academic focus more helpful than generic AI writing tools. In short, StudyAgent AI is a strong academic writing assistant built to help students with drafting, editing, checking originality, and refining their work, all from a single platform. It's especially useful if you want a unified workspace instead of juggling many separate tools. The freemium plan lets you try the core feature, and if you need more power, the premium plan gives you unlimited access and priority support. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more honest reviews and study tips. And don't forget to use link in the description. Any special offer and discount, they will be applied automatically when you use them. I will see you in the next video where we explore more tools to help you succeed in your studies and online work.